Hi, my name is Kannan. I am from Ramanathapuram district, Tamil Nadu. I completed my Bachelor of Engineering in EC department from Sayadamal Engineering College in the year 2022. After my BE, I did internship in software field for 10 months. Then I started for searching jobs outside, but I did not got any job related to core company. So I decided to upskill myself in embedded domain. I started searching good embedded institute in Bangalore, and I got to know about IIES through Google. Then I contacted the IIES team and I got admission for PG diploma in embedded system and development. Here I have learned the C programming, data structures in C and C++ programming, and analog and digital electronics, and hands-on experience with 805 microcontroller and ARM processor. At the last month of my course, I got placed in Nash Labs with 4.1 lakhs per annum salary package. The placement team supported me a lot and encouraged me till I got placed. I am very happy to say that IIES is really good for getting embedded domain knowledge and placement for embedded companies. Thank you.